Welcome to our Google Workspace webinar. In our session today, we are going to take you on a quick tour of how you can now easily embed charts from your Google Forms into docs, slides, and drawings. So let's hop right in and take a look. I've sent out my volunteer survey form. We can see here that I've been gathering responses. And as I gather responses based on question type, we'll see some different visual options appear. You can copy these options and then pop them in to our Google Tools. We can see I've already have one in this document, but let's say I want to add another. I'll just create some space. I'm going to paste that in, and now I'm going to have that option to paste it linked. And then when I do have those items pasted in, if there is anything new that's come in since I originally pasted it, I'll see an update button. This gives you and your reader the peace of mind that if this was an active form and new responses are still coming in, we can have the most fresh and up-to-date information with just the click of a button. So now I would have that peace of mind that instead of seeing perhaps just 3 responses from yesterday, another response has come in. Now I'm seeing the full 4 responses, which is especially valuable if I'm in a presentation and I want to get that data right. If I'm sharing this with a reader and they perhaps don't have access to be able to get in and see this information via our forms view, this gives a channel to share that information when the time is right with the right audience. So very exciting to see these nice visuals come into play and for you to have that peace of mind that you will have the freshest information possible. If you are a newer user to Forms, you can just do a Google search for Google Workspace Learning Center Forms, and it would bring you in to be able to see Google Forms training and help. And from here, it's going to get you started with the basics or move you through more intermediate or advanced tips. So if you need some hints building some of those great surveys or gathering some of that crowd feedback, Forms is a great tool. I encourage you to check it out. Easily accessible from Google Drive when you want to get started. I hope that you get a nice chance to hop in and check out all of what Forms can do for you. Should you have some additional questions relating to this update, you can reach out to us at collaborationtraining@pythian.com.